All right, welcome back to another video. Today video, we're gonna go ahead and continue focusing on trying to get this tank up. There's a few things I have to do to prep to get this accomplished. Right now, cut out the tub. The tub is already ready and prepped for fiberglass. What I have to do now is go ahead and get to this skin plate, shorten it 4 inches, get it welded up, put in the tank, do some fitments, some adjustments, find out where the hole will be for the fuel pump, and I guess I have to cut a couple little hole here or something like that in order to fit the fuel lines through the frame. So get the video started. All right, so I went ahead and ripped out this wheel well cover. What I did is took this 1/4 skewer rods, skewer sticks, whatever you want to call them. Let me see. They're dowel rods, yeah. So I took these 1/4 dowel rods, or 5 millimeters, whatever, and I went ahead and hot glued them down in place. Then I went over them with some modeling clay. Yeah, I rounded it out with a round over bit. I think this is called forget what they call this. Well, anyways, now it's rounded out. What I'm going to go ahead and do is get this around with the aluminum tape, and that'll be it for the night. All right, so this is the next day. I went ahead and finished putting in the ribs and put this insulation tape over the mold. And yeah, so right now what I'm going to do is go ahead and prep this up and get this waxed out. This is the glass I'm going to be using. This is the glass I'm going to be using. I'm going to use some chop strand. And then I got this combo mat. This is a thicker mat, like a woven and like a cloth and a mat put together. So this is going to be like bottom. I'm going to use that. I'm going to use this on the edges. The chop strand is more for getting around the contours and stuff like that. And that would make this thick enough so when I go ahead and put this back in, that it'll be strong enough to withhold whatever I put on top of it. So if I want to even crawl in here, body weight wise, it'll hold that, whatever. It's going to be about an inch and a half lip all the way around. I'm just going to go ahead and get ready and start to do this work. All right, so I was able to finish this up. It's nice and dry now. So what I'm gonna do now, clean it up, cut out the hole for the fuel pump, and do a little work around there. Let's get her done. Okay, so as usual in the Virgin Islands, it is once again raining. So I think I'm gonna call this project finished for the day. I'll come back tomorrow when the rain stops, and I'll take down this evap system. So I have to take out the filler hose, and I might have to shorten the filler hose for the gas tank. So yeah. I'll just go ahead and cut you back on tomorrow. Okay, so the first thing you want to do in order to get this lined up and keep it straight, I'm going to take a square. I'm going to go ahead and scribe a mark just for alignment purposes on each side. Right here, it doesn't really matter where you put it, as long as you get the scribe. So that's going to be my alignment mark. When I go ahead and cut the 4 inches out of here, this will just line up this mark, and the mark will always be centered to each side, so it won't have no alignment issues. I'm going to go ahead and turn this around and do the same on these 2 tabs. Do have this little opening for where the fuel lines go, the fuel for the evaporator. So this will be where the evaporator lines and the filler hose goes. So we will try to retain this little area here, this little pocket, but we are going 4 inches down, so this will begin cut away, unfortunately, but we'll try to save it by adding to it. Take a square again, go ahead and scribe it. I'm gonna go down 1 inch and then go down 5 inches. That'll give me my 4 inches in between. right, that's my 4 inches each side. Go ahead and cut this. Bring it down. Okay, so as usual in the Virgin Islands, it is once again raining. So I think I'm gonna call this project finished for the day. All right, so I'm about to get ready to cut up this opening right here. Made my markings right here. So I marked that on both sides of the frame. So when I cut through one side, I'll come on this side and I'll cut through the other side so they can match up. So I'll go ahead and take this hole saw and run a hole through there. All right, so I got everything prepared for the lift now. So everything is tightened up, all the welds are 100%, straps are back on. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and drag the tank underneath the car and lift it into position. All right, so I pretty much got as far as I wanted to get in this video. Everything is nice and tucked away. I'm not gonna do the rest of the little stuff on the Jeep, like the hoses and the evaporator system. I'll do that off camera. The tank is nice and tucked away. I'm not gonna be off-roading or anything with a Jeep, but it's a nice setup for what I'll be doing with the Jeep in the future upgrades. So if you enjoyed the video, go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below and hit the post notification. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Oh yeah, also, to help this channel get a little further in its progression, and also the Jeep to finish up a lot of the stuff that I have knickknacks wise, go ahead and try to hit the membership or hit a super thanks and try to donate to the channel, man. I will greatly appreciate it, and hopefully we could get your help on the next modifications coming up. Peace.